Space debris is quickly becoming an uncontrollable hazard. With nearly 30,000 pieces of junk orbiting Earth, everything from defunct satellites to leftover rocket stages, each piece moves at over 17,000 miles per hour. At those speeds, even the smallest fragments can destroy satellites, spacecraft, or worse, endanger human lives in space. A report from Leo Labs, an orbital tracking firm, confirms that a large-scale collision is inevitable. When two large objects collide, they create thousands of smaller fragments, leading to a chain reaction. This effect, known as the Kessler syndrome, can turn low Earth orbit into a war zone of fast-moving debris, multiplying the risk of further collisions exponentially. If such a chain reaction occurs, it won't just affect space, it will impact life on Earth. Entire satellite constellations for communications, navigation, and weather forecasting could be obliterated. Global services that rely on space infrastructure, like internet, financial transactions, and military coordination, could face massive outages. Manned missions would be at extreme risk, as the space surrounding Earth would become an increasingly dangerous minefield. Future satellite launches might be grounded indefinitely, as launching new missions through a debris-filled orbit would be far too dangerous. Critical repairs to existing satellites would also become impossible, cutting off services we take for granted. In short, space as we know it could become inaccessible. A major collision could trap Earth in a debris cloud, potentially ending large-scale space exploration and disrupting modern life in ways we've never experienced before. The dangers aren't hypothetical anymore. They're looming.